What's good, y'all? It's LJ, and I'm back with another markup Monday, man. Pretty much we're just gonna run through the pairs that we're looking at for this week. Give you guys an idea of how we do it on the Zoom call as well. You know what I'm saying? If you want to be a part of that, go ahead and subscribe to the VIP channel. Will be linked down in the description below. And also give us a follow, man. Coolin and Brody, man, on Instagram, man. I truly appreciate that. Before we jump into it, man, we gotta run the intro, man. So let's get it.
Thought I heard somebody say they was a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they was a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they want a breadwinner. Thought I heard somebody say they want a breadwinner.
So y'all, here we are. First things first, the thing that we're gonna look at is the news. We're gonna check that out. And as you can see, starting out the week, it's not real high impact news, which would be our our orange and red folder. So we won't see much of that. I mean, going into Tuesday, here's a high impact news on GBP 10 o'clock. And let's see, scroll down. The ones that's concerning me is GBPs. I mean, that's the GBP and USD is the ones I'm going to be most concerned about because that's the pairs that I pretty much trade, that we trade in BWFX. So, I mean, if you trade in AUD, be concerned on that on Wednesday, 9 p.m. And Thursday, we got a little CAD news. And closing off on Friday, have some heavy Euro news. We got orange and red folders and a little bit of CAD and a little bit of USD. So not a real heavy week for news, but I mean it's a little bit. I mean the news, that's what moves the market. So you know what I'm saying. So we'll see how that goes throughout the week. So moving over to the charts, we're gonna check out the DXY, which is the dollar index. We like to look at that to base our USD pairs on. So as we look out, we scroll out on the daily time frame. And then we see we have this the red. I like to use that as my sell area, and then blue. I like to kind of target that as my buying area. So just FYI for you new watchers out there. So as we look on the daily time frame, we can see the dollar pretty much coming down to this buy area. Looking to see if we get some type of impulse, or if not, then we'll see if we get a closed break on the daily time frame sometime this week. So pretty much trying to wait on this particular area to be reached on the dollar, see if we get some type of reaction, which would probably give us a stronger dollar, probably back up to this daily area right there. So we can see that pretty much having broken this level since April 19th, 16th was the last time we was past this area. So we'll see if we bounce off of this and then push back up, or we just continue to have this a weak dollar. So that's one thing to look at when you trade in the USD pairs. So keep that in mind when we're looking at gold and GBP USD. Next thing, let's go over to GBP JPY GJ. This is a trade that was called out last week. Some of my subscribers are already in. So if you're in what we called it out last week, you should be up right at 130 pips. We did have one of our subscribers on last doing the Zoom call. He said he was able to catch it right here. So I mean that's still a good amount of pips right there as well. If you did catch it on that break, right there, you still up like 40 pips. So as you see, I have my alert set right here. Pretty much I'm just looking to see if we get another retest right there, and if we do, we get some type of bullish pressure right now on that breakout, then I'll be looking to tell you guys to enter in for another buy opportunity. If not, if we don't get it there, then we'll probably get it back down to this level, then that's another buying opportunity as well. So or we can just push all the way up to our TP1 area, which would be 280 pips. So I mean, either way it go, it's a good trade that we're in right now. So push out to the daily time frame. You can see that this pair has been, let's go to the week and see a little bit better. This pair has been pushed to the upside for a significant amount of time. So you know we're still on the uptrending market. So if you're looking, you're probably like, why you got your TP level right there? Well, that's because this is the last time. This is our last high right here, which propelled us all the way down to the bottom. So we're pretty much anticipating it to come back up to this level right here, which was the 56, 156, excuse me, area right there. So it's my TP area. That's a nice psych level as well. So it's a good area for a TP. So I'll pretty much be looking to see if we get some type of reaction at that level, or we just break this level here, and that'll be cool as well. Then we can just swing it all the way up here to the top as well. So more on that pair in the upcoming days. Let's head over to GU. Pretty much the same thing. Which you'll find is GBP pairs typically move the same, especially GU and GJ. So of course this one as well on the weekly time frame pushing up as well. Upward market, pretty much looking for it to reach this TP level right here. So let's drop down to our daily time frame. Well, we can move to 4 hour time frame, reset this chart, see what we're looking at on this one. So like I said, the red level is typically my is going to be my sell area, and then the blue will be my buy area that I'm looking for. So what I'll be looking for on this pair is a break of this red level, but this blue level is also a minor level for me as well. So as you can see, this is our last high right there on the 4 hour time frame. We got some little restriction right there, so we got a kind of like a break right here. So as I drop down to my 1 hour time frame, I'm pretty much looking to see if this level right here is being held by the buyer. So tonight, I'm not going to enter. I mean, if you would enter here now, it would be an aggressive buy. I'm pretty much trying to see if this level is going to be held. So I pretty much probably just wait for London session to see if we get like a push up, and then New York session, maybe a retracement back down to this level, and then an opportunity for a buy to push me all the way back out of this area, out of this red area on the daily time frame, and then we'll push to our TP area, which is up here. First TP area probably be right here where we had this major wick, pushes all the way back down, and then second TP area be up here. So we're looking at about 150 pips in total on this trade. Like I said, we break all this down on our one-on-ones. If you want to learn how to mark these charts up or setting up your trading view or anything like that, just get at myself or Brody, and we can guide you guys through that. It wouldn't be a problem. So next thing we're looking at, we're going to go ahead and another USD pair, which is gold. Let's see. So it's bumping all the way out. We like to walk it all the way down. So down to the daily time frame, we see gold is on the upward pushing market. So we had a high, low, another high, low, high, and a push back down, high, low. We got a nice level right there. I was able to catch it right here for 2 positions. So I just pretty much ordered all the way up to here, which is look like a significant level right here. Let's go to the 4 hour time frame to see a little bit better. Well, I say this is a significant sell level is because this was price was pretty much interacting there. You see your bounce right here, 1 bounce, 2 bounce, 3 bounce, and then it pretty much started falling down, back down to this significant level right here. And then you started getting pushed back up once you had a double bottom. You got a bounce right here, another bounce right here, then price pretty much reversed at this level, which makes sense, and push back up to this level. So now we back at our significant level. What I'm pretty much just waiting to see is a break of this red level, which will probably get it tonight or either tomorrow. So pretty much how my arrows drawn, we're trying to see a break, a strong break, candle close, and then a push back down to the level to which we like to call a break and retest of the level, and then at that point we'll be looking for buys. So like I said, you could take the buy right here to be an aggressive buy. But I mean, on a 1 hour time frame, we're kind of getting some divergence a little bit, so might be a little bit hesitant to do it at the moment. But I mean, we just let price decide what it's gonna do. If we get a break out of this, like I said, strong break for our daily candle, then of course there's bullish pressure at this moment, and I'll be looking to take that buy at that particular time. So, like I said, I'm just waiting. We like to swing our trade, so we pretty much hold them for weeks at a time. So, I mean, you can imagine what setups would look like. Maybe take 2-3 days to see a particular setup. Like I said, these 4 hour and daily candles. So, I mean, you definitely had to have patience. But when opportunity presents itself, then you have to be ready to take that, whatever it may be. So let's move over to indice pair. Let's go NAS. Let's pull it out to the daily time frame, see exactly what we're looking at. So once again, we have our red sell area up here at the top, and then our buy area at the bottom. So as you all know, this is the indice, so it's pretty much an uptrending market. Right now we're on a weekly time frame, so you guys, it's been trending up. I mean, that's just how the market goes. The indices go, they just trend up down pretty much. I mean, you do have your retracements, that'll be the ideal time to catch a buy, but I pretty much like to just buy indices. Like, I don't really sell them because, I mean, if you get in at a good buy, you can just hold it for a long time and just pretty much just eat off of those, just eat off of those buys. I mean, if you get in a good position, you can just scale in, keep scaling in. So pretty much what I'm looking at on this one is, I do have this alert up here, this alert right here at the bottom, but I'm pretty much just waiting to see if it does reverse down. I'm pretty much just waiting to see this come down here where I'll be looking for buys. But I mean, I just had this right here just to let me know before it gets all the way down to the bottom, just to be looking out for that. And so either I'm looking for buys here or a buy here. So let's zoom in on our 4 hour to see exactly what we're looking at. So boom, there we have it. So if I have a buy here, boom, I already gonna get the alert right there. So I'm looking for a strong 4 hour candle, push up here, boom, close. After that, I'm looking for a retest here. And at that point, I'll be taking a buy up to this zone, TP1 right there. Then TP2 is gonna be right here. Boom. So it actually looks something like that then. This one here, push right here to there. Then that right there, boom. Just like that. So let's get it out. Look and see exactly what we're looking at. So boom. Looking at about 3,000. 3,000, so a 0.01, you're looking at $300, $380 right there. 0.01, you're looking at about $625 right there. So boom, TP1 300, TP2 600. So, and if I was to take a buy stop loss for the guys that are looking to actually take this one, pretty much look like something like this. Stop loss would pretty much be right outside of the zone, depending on how the wicks look on a retest. So TP1 right there, TP2 right there, looks similar like this. If you want to mark the charts up, it'd be similar to this. So give you a chance to screenshot that as well. So let's see how that plays out. Boom. And there you have it. That's what we're looking at for this week. We pretty much just timing it down, man. We're gonna focus on a very few amount of pairs. We're gonna probably be about 4 pairs, and we're just gonna eat off of those pairs, man. You know. So if you have any questions, go ahead. Don't hesitate to comment down below, and then I'll let us know. You know what I'm saying? It's LJ. I'm up.